In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file an amended return on TurboTax. Filing an amended return can seem daunting, but with TurboTax, the process is streamlined and straightforward. Whether you need to correct an error or make changes to your initial tax filing, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to head over to TurboTax Online for the year 2025. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options. But what we're interested in is the Other Tax Situations section. This is where you can handle more specific tax scenarios that don't fit the usual mold, like amending a return. So go ahead and click on Other Tax Situations. Next up, you'll be focusing on the Other Tax Forms area. This section houses all the forms you might need for various tax-related tasks. It's a great spot to know about for future reference. Here, you'll find different forms, but for our purpose today, you're going to click on Other Tax Forms. This will guide you to the next step in amending your return. Now, you should see an option to amend a return. This is the crucial part of the process. Clicking here will initiate the steps necessary to correct or update your previously filed tax return. It's important to ensure that you're fully prepared with all the necessary details and documentation before you proceed. This could include any new forms, corrected information, or additional income that you need to report. As you navigate through the amendment process in TurboTax, the platform will guide you with prompts and instructions. Pay close attention to these, as they will help ensure that your amended return is accurate. TurboTax does a great job of simplifying tax jargon and walking you through each step. So take your time and follow along carefully. Once you've completed your amendments, TurboTax will provide you with a summary of your changes. It's a good idea to review this summary thoroughly. Double-check that all the information is correct and that nothing has been overlooked. This is your last chance to make any necessary adjustments before submitting the amended return. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, you can go ahead and submit your amended return. TurboTax will handle the rest, ensuring that your updates are filed correctly with the IRS. And there you have it. You've successfully filed an amended return on TurboTax. Remember, it's always a good practice to keep a copy of your original and amended returns for your records. If you have any questions or need further assistance, TurboTax offers excellent resources and support to help you out. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your filing.